Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Pad 3D and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find either the Google or users and accounts. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it, and here we've got the accounts. I already have my Google account added, but that's okay, you can still add another one. So let's start with it. Let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and confirm everything with your screen lock. Right here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can tap on it to read everything, and go back and tap on I agree. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it. Simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and it will immediately disappear. Sometimes you will have to confirm everything with your pattern, but it is still pretty fast. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.